Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here to install and review the Zagg Glass Elite VisionGuard Plus for iPhone 11. This screen protector is made of a super strong, super thin aluminosilicate glass that offers the most protection of any Zagg screen protector, and it's also treated to block potentially dangerous blue light for better eye health. In addition, it has embedded silver ions for antimicrobial protection. Lots of great features here. Let's get this installed on my iPhone 11 in green and check it out. Looking at the contents of the box, we have a pretty fully featured install kit here. You've got the screen protector itself, you've got your easy apply tray, you also have an installation mat to keep everything nice and non-slip during the install process. We've got a dust removal sticker, you've got a microfiber cloth, and you've got a wet wipe to clean your screen. Prior to beginning the screen protector installation, make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. Remove any existing cases and screen protectors from your phone. Then take your wet wipe and gently and thoroughly clean your phone's screen. Dry it with a microfiber cloth, and then take the dust removal sticker and remove any remaining bits of dust. Next, place your phone on the installation mat if you have not done so already. And then you need to take Zagg's Easy Apply tray and place it gently but firmly over the top of your phone, pressing it down into place. Next, take a look at the screen protector itself. Look for the tab that's marked 1. So basically this hard white plastic back is going to need to be peeled away from the screen protector. Obviously, avoid touching the adhesive side of the screen protector during this process. And then once the backing has been removed from it, you're going to want to hold on either to the sides of the screen protector or use these little handles on the top and the bottom. I'm going to flip it over, place it inside your install tray, and gently lay it down. Make sure it's aligned correctly, and then when everything looks good, you're going to need to press it in the middle of the screen protector and then let the installer magic do its work. Once everything is installed, slowly peel off the top plastic layer and remove your easy install tray. Looking at the results of the install, I think everything went extremely well. I think that Zagg's Easy Apply tray makes this process very hassle-free. Basically have a perfect alignment on here in terms of the sides and top and bottom. Very nice. You can see how thin this screen protector is. Adds almost no thickness to the phone. Looks great. We also have nice rounded edges here that feel lovely underneath the fingertips. Everything looks great here. We don't have any kind of haloing on the sides or anything like that. Overall, this looks and feels like a really nice, high-quality screen protector on the phone. As far as look, feel, and performance are concerned, I think everything is excellent with this screen protector. It has a very nice, silky feel underneath the fingertips. As far as swiping and typing and texting, there are no issues, very responsive, no problems with haptic touch. All of that is excellent. We do have those nice rounded edges if you happen to be swiping in from the side, so I think that that is all good. This features Zagg's new anti-fingerprint technology. I wasn't crazy about this on the last Zagg screen protector that I reviewed, the Glass Elite. I thought that that one was kind of smeary, but this one seems fine, so I think maybe I just got a bad screen protector with the Glass Elite, or perhaps everything is just better with the Zagg Glass Elite VisionGuard. At any rate, no problems there. And of course, this does have that VisionGuard feature with the blue light blocking. I have no way of evaluating whether that is working or not, but it seems like it's a good feature to have. I certainly don't notice that this makes the screen any darker or anything like that, and overall optical clarity is outstanding. This also has an antimicrobial feature with embedded silver ions that are not going to wear off, so this should help protect you against bacterial buildup on the screen. Overall, I think everything is excellent. And finally, as I mentioned at the beginning, this is an aluminosilicate screen protector, which gives it the ability to be extra strong and extra thin. This is Zagg's strongest screen protector ever, giving you 4 times more protection against impact and scratches. So overall, really a solid product from Zagg if you were looking for a high-end screen protector for your iPhone 11. Again, we've been looking at the Zagg Glass Elite VisionGuard Plus for iPhone 11. This product is available directly from Zagg as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $49.99. Many thanks to the kind folks at Zagg for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to address them. And if you're interested in subscribing to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great screen protector and case reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and this is the Zagg Glass Elite VisionGuard Plus for iPhone 11. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.